Okay, today we are going to learn on how do you determine the value related to a rate. Okay, the learning standard that you are going to achieve is determine the value related to rate. Okay, semua dah sedia Semua dah sedia dengan buku, pen dan titik calculator. Kalau dah sedia tulis kat chat tu dah. Okay, good. Siapa yang dah respon tu? Daniel. Terima kasih Daniel. Okay, yang lain dah sedia Okay, terima kasih Hilmi. Okay, Harishan, Santosh, thank you. Okay, so I will start by looking at example 14. Okay, you may refer to my slide or you may also refer to your textbook as well. Okay, this is from your textbook, example 14. Okay, this is a question for us to determine the value related to rate. Okay, how the question look like. Okay, Mr. Tan. Okay. Nanti cikgu bagi video record, kamu boleh tengok semula. Kalau tak sempat lah. Okay, so this is the question. Mr. Tan jogs at a steady rate on a treadmill. Okay, jadi dia berjoging dekat atas treadmill. Okay, Mr. Tan ni. Okay, and his heart beats 420 times in 4 minutes. Jadi semasa dia berjoging ni, degupan jantung Mr. Tan ni ialah 420 kali dalam 4 minit. Okay, find the number of times his heart will beat if he jogs on the treadmill at the same rate for 12 minutes. Jadi kita kena cari berapakah bilangan degupan jantung Mr. Tan jika dia tetap meneruskan berjoging di atas treadmill tersebut dengan kadar yang sama. Kadar yang sama maksudnya 420 times over 4 minutes. Okay, kadar. Ingat macam mana kita dah belajar tulis kadar itu. Okay, at the same rate here means, okay, at the same rate here, maksud perkataan ini, okay, maksud perkataan at the same rate here referring to this previous sentence, okay, which is 420 times over 4 minutes. Ini ialah, if you remember, this is how we write rate previously. Okay, this is how we write rate. So the rate is 420 times over 4 minutes. So we need to find the number of times his heart will beat. Okay, kita nak kena cari degupan jantung dia selama 12 minit. Kita tahu degupan jantung dia 420 times in 4 minutes. What is his heartbeat in 12 minutes? Okay, so there are two ways to solve this problem. Okay, first here, the solution. First we write the heart rate. Okay, just like what I write previously here, this one. Okay, we write the heart rate here. This is how we do it. After we write the heart rate is the information contained in the question. Okay, let the number of heartbeat be X time in 12 minutes. Yes, it is X. The variable is X. Since we don't know how many times, we call it X. Kita tak tahu berapa kali. Jadi kita panggil dia sebagai X. Dalam 12 minit tu kita panggil dia X lah, bilangan kali tersebut. Bilangan dia punya degupan jantung dalam 12 minit. Let the heartbeats be X in 12 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we solve this using proportion method. Okay, using proportion method, remember you need to write the proportion. This is how you write the proportion. Last week you already learned 420 times over 4 minutes equal X times. Okay, over 12 minutes. Ingat bila kamu write proportion mesti ada equal. Mesti ada two rates. Both rate are equal to each other. Remember that. when you write a proportion. So you write this one. This is the proportion. Okay, after you write the proportion, okay, this is 4 minutes. How do you get 12 minutes from 4 minutes? It means you need to multiply it with some whole number, which is 3. 4 times 3 equal 12. Once you multiply it by 3, you also need to multiply the denominator here, the 430 times by 3. So you will get the answer, what is how many times the x1. Okay, that is how using proportion method. Understand? Okay, I hope you understand how to use the proportion method. It's not about you already find the answer now. Okay, I want you to understand the method. Okay, good. Yes, Santosh, Daniel, yes. Azri Aikal, yes. Okay. Jadi, untuk dapatkan dia tu, kita darab dia. 4 minit darab dengan 3 sama dengan 12. Jadi, yang bahagian atas ni pun kita kena darab 3. Jadi, kita dapat bilangan degupan jantung tu dalam 12 minit tadi. Okay, which is equal 1260 beats. Jadi itulah degupan jantung dia. Itu jika kita menggunakan proportion method. Okay, the other method is cross multiplication method. Okay, how do we solve this using cross multiplication method? Okay, first you write the rate. Still just like you write proportion, but when you write proportion, you write 420 times over 4 minutes equal x times over 12 minutes. When you do cross multiplication, you just write the number. Okay, you don't write the quantity. Okay, you don't write the quantity. 420 times, you don't write the times. 4 minutes, you don't write the word minutes, the quantity. Okay, you just write 420 over 4 equal x over 12. Then you just cross multiply it. Okay, 420 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by x. Okay, once you get to this part here, okay, 4 multiplied by x equal 420 multiplied by 12. You just need to find what is x. So you need to remove 4 here. How to remove it? By bringing it to the other side. If you are going to bring it to the other side, you need to divide it by 4. Okay, bila kita pindahkan dia, kita hanya nak cari nilai x, jadi kita perlu pindahkan nombor 4 tersebut. Untuk pindahkan dia ke sebelah kanan, sebabnya 4x tu ialah proses darab, 4 times x. Jadi bila kita pindah sebelah kanan, dia akan jadi bahagi nombor 4 tersebut. Okay, ada soalan dekat situ? Do you understand how I transfer it?
Yes.
Okay, good. So the answer is 1260. Okay, you may answer any question using any method that you prefer, unless the question state you need to answer using which method. If the question do not state what method to use, you may use any method that you are comfortable or confident with. Okay? Okay, kalau soalan tu minta jawab guna cross multiplication method, then you have to use cross multiplication method. Okay, now the final one, you just write Mr. Tan had beats 1260 times in 12 minutes.